Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Siri Food and Travel Vibes. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple, delicious, easy recipe. To make this, I'm going to be using one leftover roti. You can use fresh roti as well. Cut the rotis into small pieces. Put them in a blender. Add 3 by 4 cups of jaggery. Now this is as per the roti that I have taken. Since I have taken only one roti, I'm using 3 by 4 cups of jaggery. If you're using more, then you can increase the quantity of jaggery. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. You don't have to roast them, you can just use them directly. Add your favorite dry fruits. I'm using some almonds, raisins. Grind to a coarse powder so all the ingredients blend together. Transfer to a bowl. Add 1 cup of milk. You can add hot milk or cold milk as per your preference. You can also add curd instead, it's even more better. Mix all together. Add smashed bananas. Mix all together. Instant breakfast recipe is ready. It's very nutritious, very easy to make. You can make this anytime. Really doesn't have to be a breakfast stuff. You can just make it for lunch or dinner. This saves a lot of your time as well. If you just make some extra rotis in the night, you can make nice good breakfast in the morning, so that saves a lot of time for you in the morning. Please try this recipe and share your experience with me. Leave your comments below. If you find my video of any help, please subscribe to my channel and cheer me up for more. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.